Welcome to Migration World. From this channel you will know the ways to immigrate to US and Canada. So, make sure you subscribe to our channel for all new and upcoming videos. Today we will know the ways how to immigrate to the US. You can either move to the US on an immigrant visa, which provides you with permanent residency in the country, or on a non-immigrant visa which gives you no permanent rights to remain in the country. Both options require applicants to fulfill the eligibility criteria of the specific visa that they are applying for. Immigrant versus non-immigrant visas. There is a key difference between the two types of visas. Immigrant visa. Immigration to the US can take different forms. The most common understanding of immigrating to the US is gaining permanent residency, which essentially means gaining a green card. A green card will allow you freedom of employment for any employer and make you eligible for US citizenship if you pass all other requirements. Non-immigrant visa. The other option is to come to the US on a temporary basis. This option is available for work reasons, visits, or studies. Most non-immigrant visas are renewable so that you can stay in the country for longer. However, they do not provide you with permanent residency like immigrant visas do. Immigration process. The entire immigration process is highly tailored to the visa that you are applying for. However, the process below is a general overview of how to immigrate to the US. 1. Choose the type of visa. 2. Fulfill the requirements for the visa. 3. Cover the costs of the application. 4. Apply for the visa. 5. Wait for the result of your application. 6. Move to the US. Different types of immigration to the US. If you are considering moving to the US, you are in luck because there are numerous options available to you. These options are tailored for various reasons such as family, work, humanitarian, and diversity. Below we will explore each type in more detail. Family-based green cards. These green cards are a type of visa that allows you to become a lawful permanent resident in the US based on your relationship with a US citizen or an LPR family member. This means that your spouse, parent, child, or sibling is a US citizen or LPR and acts as a petitioner to sponsor your immigration. There is a limit on how many family-based immigration applications are accepted from each country, so not every application is processed. However, your immediate relatives are not affected by such limits. Here is a list of family-based visas that you can apply for and won't be subject to the applicable limit. 1. IR1 spouse of a U.S. citizen. 2. IR2 a United States citizen's unmarried child under the age of 21. 3. IR3 an orphan adopted abroad by a U.S. citizen. 4. IR4 an orphan to be adopted in the United States by a U.S. citizen. 5. IR5 a United States citizen's parent who is at least 21 years of age. Employment-based green cards. The employment-based green cards allow foreign nationals to live and work permanently in the U.S. Eligibility for these visas often favors individuals with sought-after skills, such as scientists, engineers, or healthcare professionals. To apply, applicants must have a job offer from a U.S. employer who is willing to sponsor their application. Most of the time, the employer must prove that no qualified U.S. worker can fill the position. However, there are exceptions. There are different categories of employment-based green cards, each with unique eligibility requirements and application processes. These categories include priority workers, highly skilled professionals, and certain special immigrants. While getting this type of green card can be complex, it presents an attractive option for permanent residency in the U.S. for eligible applicants. The following work green cards have the option to obtain permanent residency. 1. EB-1 Green Card for Priority Workers. This category includes individuals who possess extraordinary ability, outstanding professors and researchers, and multinational executives and managers. 2. EB-2 Green Card for Professionals with Advanced Degrees or Exceptional Ability. This category includes individuals with advanced degrees and those with exceptional ability in the sciences, arts, or business. 3. EB-3 Green Card for Skilled Workers and Professionals. This category includes skilled workers, professionals, and other workers who are not seasonal or temporary. 4. EB-4 Green Card for Special Immigrants. This category includes religious workers, broadcasters, and certain other special immigrants. 5. EB-5 Green Card for Investors. This category includes foreign nationals who invest a minimum amount of capital in a U.S. commercial enterprise that creates jobs. The following work visas allow workers to work in the U.S. on a temporary basis without obtaining permanent residency. 1. H-1B visa. This visa is for foreign workers in specialty occupations that require specialized knowledge and a minimum of a bachelor's degree. 2. L-1 visa. This visa is for intra-company transferees who work for a company with offices in the United States and abroad. 3. E-3 visa. This visa is for Australian citizens who will work in specialty occupations in the United States. 4. TN visa. This visa is for Canadian and Mexican citizens who work in certain professional occupations under the North American Free Trade Agreement, NAFTA. 5. O visa. This visa is for individuals who possess extraordinary abilities in sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. 6. P visa. This visa is for athletes, entertainers, and artists who are coming to the United States to perform. 7. R visa. This visa is for religious workers coming to the United States to work for a nonprofit religious organization. Humanitarian Green Cards. A humanitarian-based green card, or a special immigrant green card, is a permanent residency or temporary status offered to individuals fleeing persecution or who have faced significant hardship in their home country or in the U.S. This program is available to refugees, victims of human trafficking, asylees, and others who have been issued visas through special programs or humanitarian parole. To be considered for a humanitarian-based green card, applicants must meet specific criteria established by U.S. immigration laws. This includes demonstrating a well-founded fear of persecution based on religion, nationality, race, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. The application process for a humanitarian-based green card can be intricate and necessitates detailed documentation of the applicant's circumstances. The objective of the humanitarian-based green card program is to provide individuals who have experienced significant hardship or persecution in their home country with an opportunity to attain safety and stability. The following green cards based on humanitarian reasons are available. 1. T visa. This visa is open to individuals who are victims of severe human trafficking and cooperate with law enforcement to investigate and prosecute the crime. 2. U visa. This visa is for individuals who are living in the U.S. and have suffered substantial physical or mental abuse. 2. The victim must cooperate with law enforcement agencies. 3. VAWA Green Card. This visa is granted to individuals who are victims of domestic violence or abuse by a U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse or parent. Diversity Lottery Green Cards. Every year, the U.S. holds a lottery for the Diversity Visa Program, randomly selecting up to 55,000 applicants. This program is designed to promote diversity in the immigrant population of the U.S. To be eligible for the diversity visa, you must come from a country with low rates of immigration to the U.S. In addition, applicants must meet the following requirements. 1. Have a high school diploma, or 2. Equivalent education to a high school diploma, or 3. 2 years of work experience in a qualifying occupation, and 4. Pass a background check. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel for the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.